Gardening is a beloved pastime for many, but it can also be time-consuming and costly. While there are plenty of beautiful flowers to choose from, not all of them are worth growing. Some flowers require too much maintenance, while others may not thrive in your climate. Here are 5 flowers you may want to skip in your garden to save yourself time and money. Number 1. Delphiniums. Delphiniums are tall, stately plants with beautiful blue, pink, and white flowers. While they are undeniably stunning, they are also notoriously difficult to grow. Delphiniums require a lot of attention, including regular watering and fertilizing. They are also susceptible to pests and diseases, which can be frustrating for gardeners. If you're looking for an easy-to-grow alternative to delphiniums, consider planting snapdragons or marigolds instead. Number 2. Hydrangeas. Hydrangeas are popular for their large, showy blooms and their ability to thrive in shady areas. However, they are also prone to wilting and require a lot of water to stay healthy. Additionally, some varieties of hydrangeas can be difficult to prune and shape, which can lead to an unsightly, overgrown plant. If you're looking for an easy-to-care-for alternative to hydrangeas, consider planting azaleas or impatiens. Number 3. Gladiolus. Gladiolus are known for their tall, colorful spikes of flowers, which make for beautiful cut arrangements. However, they are also time-consuming to grow, as they require frequent watering and soil fertilization. Additionally, they are prone to pests and diseases, which can be difficult to manage. If you're looking for an easy-to-grow alternative to gladiolus, consider planting zinnias or cosmos instead. Number 4. Roses. Roses are a classic garden flower, but they can be difficult to grow and maintain. They require regular pruning and deadheading, as well as protection from pests and diseases. Additionally, some varieties of roses can be finicky about their growing conditions, which can be challenging for novice gardeners. If you're looking for an easy-to-grow alternative to roses, consider planting daisies or petunias. Number 5. Lily of the Valley. Lily of the Valley is a charming, fragrant plant with delicate white flowers. However, it is also invasive and can quickly take over your garden if you're not careful. Additionally, it can be difficult to control and requires a lot of maintenance to keep it from spreading. If you're looking for an easy-to-care-for alternative to lily of the valley, consider planting columbines or bleeding hearts instead. In conclusion, while these flowers are undoubtedly beautiful, they may not be worth the time and effort required to grow them. By choosing easy-to-care-for alternatives, you can save yourself time and money while still enjoying a beautiful, blooming garden.